guys.
BriBri.
Okay, so BriBri is a
The
language?
idiom of the indigenous.
Huh.
Yes. That's really cool, to be honest, because many indigenous cultures they lose their language, but they still speaking their language. That's really cool. Because just here in Costa Rica speak BriBri.
The waterfall.
Oh, look at that. Wow.
Can you make a photo of me standing next to you?
Oh my god. That's crazy.
Oh shit.
Yeah. The sun's in my eyes. So guys, we made it to the waterfall. This is what it looks like. I feel like the video doesn't do it justice though, because it's honestly so fucking beautiful. But look at the plant. It's a good day. It's my last day in Puerto Viejo as well. So, I mean, I'd say that being next to a big waterfall and going waterfall dipping is a good way to spend your last day in Puerto Viejo. So, I mean, technically this is BriBri, but it's in like the Puerto Viejo area, if that makes sense. But, yeah. Let's go swimming. Waterfall. So much fun. Ah. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, sorry. Wow. And that was down to the waterfall. And now we are walking.
We're going from oasis, look.
There's a doggo. Or is that a cat?
Oh, the jaguar.
Is that a dog?
The jaguar.
Oh, what? Oh, it's a cat. I should have guessed. Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, we call the jaguar.
A jaguar. These are some big steps. Oh my gosh.
It's highly dangerous. Watch out for you.
A jaguar. Aw, he loves you.
Highly dangerous. Jaguar. In Costa Rica. Be careful, man. You're too close. And what? Cacique. Oh, okay.
So this is the next day. We ended up coming back home, going to the hostel, took a shower. I was pretty tired from the whole extravagant waterfall dip. But yeah, it's the next day now. I'm actually gonna be leaving, heading out to the bus stop in like 20 minutes to go to San Jose because I'm gonna be going to Jaco on the other side of the country tomorrow. So I have to say goodbye to this beautiful place. Ugh, so sad. But there's always new beginnings after a door closes. But yeah, I will make sure to document all of that and tell you guys kind of how to get around in Costa Rica. It's quite easy. It's a little nerve-wracking because of the long bus rides, but nonetheless it is pretty easy. But yeah, I hope you guys liked my last waterfall trip, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.